May given are A, B, C, D, and E. It has arriving time 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and their burst ano eh? CPU burst is 5, 3, 4, 1, 5. Wait lang. A starts first because it's only the process at time 0, and B arrives at the time 1 and preempts A because it has shorter burst time, and B continues running until it finishes because it has shortened remaining time, and D arrives at 3 and start running because it has short burst time after finishes B. Then C arrive runs after D because it has the next shortest burst time, and A resumes and completes its remaining time, and E runs last and completes. The total ano? The total the total arriving time is 13 minus 0, 13. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. 18 minus 4 is 14. Therefore, their total is 39 and divided to 5 to get the average of 7.8. And their total continue time is 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 14 minus 5 is 9. And their total is 21 over 5 to get the average is 4.2.